grill is barely on, or stove I should say. That is a depowered gas stove inside of a Trangia cook system. And boy, I'm telling you, it really does work. And this gas is turned way down. It won't take long. If you turned it up, you can boil water probably in 1 to 2 minutes. Well, that's probably only 1 cup of water, maybe 2. I don't know. Didn't even measure it. Be great for cooking rice right there. And I touched this base. It is very hot. I put it on top of a plastic cutting board to see if it will melt it. So you could possibly use it in your tent, but I'd recommend using something that's wood under it. But I'm going to cut it off. Complete control right here. It's very handy. And the stove looks like this. You can see in there. Let's see if it did anything to this. It didn't appear to hurt this plastic at all. So even though it is hot, it's not hot enough to melt that thing. So I know a piece of wood would work great. Really good. So hot water I got. So no doubt this stove is an excellent stove. I'm going to point out a tent that I had bought. This is what is it? It's a REI dome tent. I'm just cleaning it out. I had it up here for a month. I just retreated the cover with a silicone because I had a little rain dripping in. So I don't know how it came in. I could just tell it did. Because it was, I mean, it's been out here for a month in the rain, torrential rains. And of course I had it closed up and it's still got some moisture inside. I mopped it out and now it's dried out. Really cleaned the floor. Kind of worked out good. But it's 6-sided. Got 6 sides. It's a big thing. But I can't stand up. I'm 6 feet. I can stand up, but I got to bend my head down. So, but it's roomy. I'd say at least a 4-person tent, but for sure 2 people would be greatly comfortable. Or even a family, 2 people with a kid, children, 1 or 2 kids. But as far as a tent goes, it's very roomy. I have a floor under it. What you call a foot. What do you call it? It's like a piece that fits underneath it the right same size, and all these legs put together. 1, 2, let's see, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4. One on top holds the roof open on both ends. It's a nice tent. And yeah, I've got this nice stove. I just thought I'd try it out. Got a nice setup, but I don't use this stuff very often. I've got this grill here. I've shown this before. Doesn't look pretty because it's used. Black inside. This goes here. This is what you call a vital grill, vital stove with a vital grill attachment. So you can smoke meat, cook anything, and put this over it to let it smoke. Little spiders. I'm telling you, bugs will get anywhere. They can get in your hammock. You got to really inspect your hammock before you get in. I've got here a Hennessy hammock. This is a Walmart tarp. I think it's 10 by 12, around $20. Very heavy duty. This is not their thinnest one, it's a heavier duty one. But I got a real nice camping spot out in front of my house. house to test all this stuff. The weather is very windy. It feels wonderful because it's a summer day. You can see the trees blowing. That's why I tried this stove out in the wind. They say it's a cooker that you can use in the wind, and they're right. Had no problem. And you can use a Trangia stove in it. I just thought I'd try this Dpower stove, and it works great. Works great. It really is faster than a Trangia as far as heating stuff up. If you wanted to fry things or whatever, make French fries or whatever, a Trangia will work, but it comes up to heat, but it doesn't get as hot as this gas stove by any means. So you could fry something in here. This thing's not that big. You see my hand. It's not gigantic. Just reaching across there. I'd say 6 inches maybe. Has a fry pan. But, that's all for now. So Ted. Have a great day, guys.